Hello guys, and welcome to another David Simulator. In today's video we're going to be disassembling the entire front end on this 2003 Infinity FX. And why are we doing it? Well, my wife was driving it, this is her vehicle, and it has failed. And the way that it failed is she was driving, it shut down, she restarted it, shut down again, she restarted it, next time it would not restart. So I tested it in the front. Oh hey son. And I tested, like the front pulley. I tried to basically rotate it, the crankshaft, and it seems like the engine's completely locked up. So the main thing I was taking it apart is to actually find out what's wrong, because this is a V6 engine, a 3.5 liter. It is possibly a CVT transmission on this, but this is a four-wheel drive, so I really don't know. But one of the failures of these engines, these V6s, is there's couple failures. The timing chains, they begin to slip, and I know we do have a code for the timing chain. It's like some kind of timing code. We do have that, and one of the failures that these things have is a water pump. If it does fail, then the water will get inside of the motor oil and it's going to get hydrolock. So some things that I want to figure out with this Nissan or Infinity, it's the same engine. If you have a Nissan with a 3.5, chances are you're going to have the same issue. So I want to figure out what went wrong, and then I want to fix it. And if you guys have the same issue, then this is probably going to help you in a way. Mainly this video is going to be a time lapse. Hit a like if you want to see a little bit more in-depth video of what we're actually doing, because it takes a little bit more effort to try to do a little bit more in-depth. There's a little bit more editing, but with the time lapses, you get to see a lot more in a short amount of time. So what do we have here? Let me show you. I'm standing in my backyard where there's a Nissan heaven over here as well. We have about like 6 Nissans here. So we just disassembled the Nissan Murano over here on the right side, and it's got a 3.5 liter engine. So this engine runs beautifully, everything's well. So if worse come to worse, we're going to take this engine out and we're going to install it in the Infinity. However, this engine is a little bit different. It's facing a little bit differently. So the belts are facing, the passenger side fender, which would be the right fender. And that other one, it's basically the belts are facing you. So a little different design. So maybe this is going to answer a question. Can you do this? Can you take a Nissan Murano engine and insert it into Infinity FX? Well, I want to answer that question for myself as well. Guys, if you like Infinity and Nissan type of content, and then also other cars, because I'm going to be bringing in other cars to this channel as well. I have like 16 cars. Let me know. Hit a like, and guys, please subscribe, because this channel is going to be going forward with a lot of different car builds, DIY builds and stuff like that. And you see Kevin, he is 8 years old. In August he's going to be turning 9, so he's been assisting me. And we have a little Jason here. He is 5 years old, and he's going to be turning 6 in August, so he's assisting me as well. They got their own tools, so they're taking apart a lot of stuff that I'm actually working on. So anyways, guys, I'm pretty sure we've been working for a while, and you guys been just hearing me talk. But that's the thing, I'm trying to give you guys more content quicker and stuff like that. Guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. All right, boys, we're ready to remove this bumper. So over here, there's clips inside. So Kevin, get up. We need a flathead, and we need a flashlight.
Flathead.
I got it. So here, just shine this. So we need to pull on this. Shine over here closer. So there's one. There's another one. Good job, Jason. All right, now let's pull this off and see what else we need to remove. So we need to remove those light bulbs. Those things. We could just remove them by twisting them off. The whole light's gonna come out.
I don't want to break anything from this and this.
Okay, see? It's off. That's what we needed.
Hey, no. Dad, can you take this off? We won't break it. Get out.
Try taking it off. Let me give you a flashlight. Let me just shine. So try to be careful with it. Just pull very lightly because it's inserted. So find where it's inserted. Okay, so this one was easy.
What the?
Yeah. So this one did not break at all. Those things at the junkyards cost $30 for one. So this is a transmission cooler right here.
That's cool.
Can somebody find the horns? Where's the horns?
Come on, Dad. You don't
So there's
have
two over
good
here.
eyes.
No, I have good eyes. I was asking to see if you know where it is. Okay, let's continue taking everything apart. My name is Serge Zamaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.